Student A lifts a 50 Newton box from the floor to a height of 0.40 meters in 2.0 seconds. Student B lifts a 40 Newton box from the floor to a height of 0.50 meters in 1.0 seconds. Compared to student A, student B does. So we're trying to figure out the work and the power. So if we identify what we're given, we know student A has a force of 50 newtons, a height of 0.40 meters, and a time of 2.0 seconds. Student B has a force of 40 newtons, a height of 0.50 meters, and a time of 1.0 seconds. To calculate work, we're going to use our formula work equals force times distance. To calculate power, we're going to do power equals work divided by time. So first let's do work. Work for student A is their force of 50 newtons times their distance of 0.40 meters, and that will give us 20 joules. To calculate the work for student B, we take their force of 40 newtons times their distance of 0.50 meters, and we get 20 joules. So as we can see, both students do the same amount of work. So both either letter A or letter B would be the correct answer. Now we have to calculate power. Power for student A will be their work, 20 joules, divided by 2 seconds, which gives us 10 watts. The power for student B equals the same work, 20, this time divided by 1 second, and it gives us 20 watts. So as we see, student B has the same power as student A, but student B, the same work as student A, but does twice the power, has more power. So letter A is the correct answer.